this guide, I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Fortnite account if it's already associated with another account on something like a PS5, Xbox, really any other platform. Before we do get to this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if your Xbox or PlayStation or whatever account it is already linked to the wrong Epic Games account and you want to move it to your main account, what you're going to need to do is actually on a secondary device or even on your console, go ahead and open up a web browser just like so and go to epicgames.com. Once you get to epicgames.com, up in the top right corner, select sign in where it currently says my name and log into the Epic account that is currently linked to the platform that you want to disconnect. If you already pressed skip like when launching Fortnite, the system may have auto-created an Epic account for you and you need to access the email associated with that account. But essentially, go ahead and log in, click on your name, and then select account just like so, and find the platform that you want to unlink in this linked account section. Select it, and then from here, say it's like Xbox, go ahead and hit unlink. From here, you can go ahead and select your profile picture up again, and then hit sign out, and then do the exact same thing. Sign into the account that you want to go ahead and connect now. And once connected, go to this exact same linked account section in the account settings and then choose the Xbox account and sign it in here, or the PlayStation account or the Switch account, whatever it might be. It really is as simple as that. Once you're connected, everything will now share the same progression across everything. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.